This is Money, Technical Marketing at PicOS-V. Today I'll be talking about how to import PicOS-V switches. So before you start, there is a checklist to go over. You need to be able to SSH into PicOS-V switch, and you need to know the credentials, and the credentials need to be same for all PicOS-V switch. The second part, PicOS-V switch doesn't come with a unique serial number. So each PicOS-V switch, you need to set a serial number. So these two are explained how to do this in PicOS-V user's guide. So please follow that. And then we will go into AMCON and do the basic system configuration. So let us see how to do it. So now we are in AMCON. You click Settings and System Configuration. The default user is admin for all PicOS-V switches. Whatever password you set for the PicOS switch, you put it here. License URL is https://license.picoi.com. User is test and the password is test. And it's asking how many backup of configuration it needs to have per switch. So you put 100 and click Save. That is the basic configuration of AMCON. It is that simple. Then you are ready to import the switches. You go to Lifecycle and click Import Switch. So in here you press Import. Here you'll be giving the management IP address of the PicOS switch you want to import and click Save. It'll take about 2 minutes to import the switch, and you will see a dialog saying successfully imported. After that, you can verify by coming to Deployment Switch List, and in here you will find the serial number, the one we just imported. You click that. So this provides a high-level health view of the switch. The links that are active, you see it with green. It gives you the resource utilization for the switch, which is CPU and RAM, how much is used. Also gives information on power, temperature, spanning tree, packet count. This is interface stat at the specific time when you clicked it. So all this is a high-level health view. It doesn't replace SNMP.